So let's try and open and see what is here. Start with the small one.
I am Macy, Macy, moving through the night. Cook up love with spice, turn longing to right. From a town of joy to the city's glow, wherever I go, my love will show. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams. In the morning light, I gather the news. Whisper tales that shake off the blues. With apron tight and a heart so pure. Every dish, a blessing, that's for sure. I am Macy, Macy, spreading love all around. In every taste, in every sound. From kitchens to hearts, I'm in the scenes. I'm a mother with God's dreams.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring the notification bell so that you always get the notification. For the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming by to watch my videos. Thanks so much. And so today I'm doing the opening of the gift. As you saw, I was gifted 2 gifts. So I want to open the gift and see what is inside. So let's open with me. Okay, this one and this one. Hey, my cat. Ginger. Sure. Ginger. What you can see today. So let's try and open and see what is here. Start with the small one. I'm telling it has been wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. You can see from outside. From outside. Let's see. Okay. This one, it's this around. You have to wait. You have to wait. This is my first gift. This is my first gift, guys. This is my first, a set of 6 whiskers. Whiskers. That's my first gift. Then whiskers will come yesterday. Then let's open the second one. This one. you know, us ladies, we are about kitchen. That's why we said we concentrate on the kitchen part. We didn't want, because if we say like, maybe you do something like, you want to buy me maybe curtain, you don't know which, okay, I don't know, but we said the simple thing is to concentrate on the kitchen. Maybe in the future we can change, but that's what we've been doing for the last 2 years. We have gifted each other how many times? 3 times. 3, 4. I have done this gifting for 4 times. So I don't know if we will change in the future, but maybe we can. Maybe in future we can. In future we can. But that was gifted by my best friend. I felt my gifting, the person who picked me was my best friend. She's my friend. She's my friend. Hey, 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 hey. Guess what, guys? Guess. Let me show you. You know I brought this ones here. I'm walking away. Do na 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 na. La 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 la. Zeros. Yay! This one's matching with this. Yay! This one. So this and this. Then hey, and this one. This is my gift. This is my gift. I don't know if you can see well, guys. This is my gift. Thanks so much, my friend. She's on YouTube. She's called I Am Nyanjom. You can go and subscribe to her channel. She's I Am Nyanjom. I'll pin a link. I'll pin a link, guys, to support her. She's also on YouTube. She's really working. She got to 1,000 subscribers without. She doesn't even do lives, but she's really working hard. Now it is WH. Now she's working on. So this is what she gifted me. I am your job. Hey. Na, 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 na. Hey, thanks so much, my friend. Thank you for the gift. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. We've been friends for 13 years. Yes, we met in Mombasa. When I came to Mombasa, she had also come at workplace, and since then we've been together. So this is my gift. This gifting usually do twice a year, June and December. How we do the gifting, we write names somewhere and wrap them as a ballot. Are they called ballots? I don't know. You pick, or slots. You pick. We pick one by one. When you pick, you open, so that you don't pick. If everyone pick at the same time and you open yourself, so you can't gift yourself. So we fold them, put on the table, You pick one person at a time. So one, you pick, like I pick, I open. If I see I've not picked myself, I'm going to go like that, like that. If you pick, if you pick and you find you picked yourself, you return the ballot. First we hold the ballot, you pick another one. That one we are sure you've not picked yourself. We return this other one, then we mix them again. Then you pick just like that, and it has always been the best. That's how we do it. You go, we pick like these ones we picked in October. So you pray for the person. You have the time to pray for the person you picked, and then you come and gift them. So that's how our gifting is done. So, and it has always been the best, the best. I have so many things that I've gotten through gifting, this one. So, and even I've gotten other gifts, even kitchen, but from people who are not in the group. So, hey, thanks so much. That's how we do it. You can do it. If you can try it if you want. This is the same the people that you do this with are the same people. We are in the same. I was talking about how we bought the washing machine, how we met from Facebook to. These are the same people. We met from Facebook, we made a group. From 2020, we're still together, and how we grow. That's how we've grown. So you can also do it. You can also do it. So thank you. So guys, thanks so much. God bless you. If you've watched up to this moment and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Ring the notification bell so that when I post another one, you get the notification, the first to get the notification. See you in my next one. Bye.